And now we have another breaking news coming in where Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Rajya Sabha MP and President of the Indian Olympic Association, PT Usha, and expressed his condolences on the passing away of her husband, V. Srinivasan. Husband of Indian Olympic Association President Srinivasan and the Rajya Sabha MP PT Usha died in the early hours of Friday. With more, joining us now is CNN News 18's Payal Mehta. Payal, very good morning to you and thank you for joining us. Now, while PT Usha is a public figure, V. Srinivasan largely stayed away from the spotlight. Now, what's from the sporting community's perspective? How would you describe his role in supporting the long journey in Indian athletics and also the sports administration?
Well, he was actually shoulder to shoulder as far as PT Usha is really concerned. But coming to the point that the Prime Minister, in fact, has called up PT Usha and expressed his condolences is because, PT Usha is a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha and she has joined the BJP. So she's a member of parliament, even though a nominated one from the Rashtrapati. And she's currently serving her term in the Rajya Sabha. In fact, when the husband collapsed, she was here in Delhi. She was here on parliament duty. So she's immediately rushed there and gone back to the residence there in Kerala as well to be with the rest of her family. It's a very sad incident which has come to the fore. PT Usha's husband was more than just a husband. He was somebody who took a lot of interest as far as her career was really concerned. Is the limited information that we're able to understand. And he unfortunately has passed away. So the Prime Minister, of course, as the head of the nation and as a fellow parliamentarian, has called up PT Usha to express condolences to the entire family on the sudden passing away, on the sudden demise of Mr. Srinivas.
Right. As you rightly pointed out, this is a moment of personal loss for India's most respected sporting figures, and the response from the country's leadership reflects that respect. Now, with that, we are now slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back with more stories and updates. Stay tuned.